What if Uranus replaced the moon? No worries. No one can stop the mighty stickman. Ooh, you're unbelievable, stickman. Firstly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus is 4 times larger than Earth. Our tides will reach to an unimaginable level. Secondly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus is bigger than Earth. Uranus will force Earth to orbit around him. Thirdly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus is a lot brighter than the moon. Thieves might check twice before going out. Fourthly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus smells like rotten eggs. People might start to wear clips on their noses. Fifthly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus has 27 moons. No need to fear of the dark. Sixthly, if Uranus replaced the moon, people might start to compete a battle so they can win a chance to go to Uranus. Seventhly, if Uranus replaced the moon, all of the freezing points might reach to Earth. We might start to see ice cubes everywhere. Lastly, if Uranus replaced the moon, Uranus does not have a solid surface. People who do not listen might sink.